Hi, everyone. We have an opportunity to help Adobe Audition users in a big way, and I'll explain how. Currently, Audition doesn't have the ability to ripple insert audio in either multi-track or waveform view. And if you don't know what ripple insert is, let me show you. Here's something I recorded earlier, and let's say I had to drop in some voiceover right where I have the playhead. In Twisted Wave, you would simply press record, and as you can see, it's pushing all the pre-existing audio to the right as it records. And I get a ton of feedback about how this feature saves people a lot of time when they need to drop something in like a change in a voiceover script, etc. Now, in Audition, when you press record, instead of pushing all of the audio off to the right, it records over whatever audio was there. It's very frustrating, and it makes it difficult to patch audio because you either have to insert silence and then record in the space you created, or you have to go to the end of the file to do your recording. And either way, both methods are not nearly as efficient as a simple ripple insert process, as I'm sure you can imagine. So if you'd like to help improve Adobe Audition by bringing this feature to future releases, please click on the link in the description either below or above this video, sign into your Adobe account, and simply comment and upvote so the Adobe team has enough people requesting the feature so they would then have a good reason to develop it and add it to future releases. Okay, thanks for watching. Please share this video to help spread the word and for your willingness to help. I'll see you next time.